Welcome back to Auto Legends, the ultimate destination for high-performance machines, luxury engineering, and automotive legends. Today, we're diving into one of the most unexpected yet jaw-dropping reveals of the year, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Brabus, known for tuning MGs into beasts on wheels, has entered the luxury motorhome game, and the result is nothing short of spectacular. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Brabus Motorhome, you realize this. Isn't your average RV? It's a rolling fortress of power, precision, and pure luxury. Brabus has taken a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter as the base, already one of the most premium vans in the segment, and pushed it to its limits. The exterior has been transformed with signature Brabus aggression. The front fascia is more sculpted, featuring a wide stance with bold LED matrix headlights and an imposing grille emblazoned with the Brabus logo. Carbon fiber elements are tastefully integrated throughout the body on the mirror caps, front splitter, side skirts, and even the rear diffuser, giving the motorhome a sport luxury presence that turns heads wherever it goes, rolling on. Massive 20-inch forged monoblock wheels wrapped in performance tires. This isn't a vehicle meant just for comfort. It's a statement on wheels. Brabus has even installed adaptive air suspension to ensure it rides as smoothly as it looks aggressive. Custom paint options, including satin blacks, deep metallic silvers, and even Brabus exclusive colorways elevate the motorhome's style quotient into supercar territory. Move along the sides, and you'll notice a streamlined silhouette that's more aerodynamic than you'd expect for a vehicle of this size. Every angle, every contour has been wind tunnel tested and optimized, showcasing Brabus' obsessive engineering. Subtle lighting strips along the lower body add visual drama at night, while the roof-mounted solar panels and satellite system quietly hint at the intelligent tech hiding under the surface. Step inside, and it becomes clear this isn't just about brawn, it's about unparalleled luxury. The interior is a sanctuary of high-end materials, cutting-edge technology, and elite craftsmanship. Brabus has installed custom leather upholstery with quilted stitching, ambient lighting with color presets, and solid wood inlays that make you forget you're in a motorhome. There's a fully equipped kitchenette with brushed metal fixtures, a minimalist design theme, and smart storage options that maximize space without sacrificing style. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and marble accents. Amenities you'd expect in a boutique hotel, not an RV. The lounge area is equipped with reclining captain's chairs that offer massage, heating, and cooling. An ultra-wide OLED display integrated into the front panel handles entertainment. And the surround sound system has been specially tuned by Brabus engineers for theater-like audio quality. There's voice-activated lighting and climate controls, as well as integrated Wi-Fi and 5G connectivity for seamless travel living. But let's talk performance, because this is Brabus after all. Under the hood, the motorhome packs a heavily modified 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, now producing an impressive 362 horsepower and 553 pounds-ft of torque. That's more than enough to move this luxury land yacht with authority. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, it delivers surprisingly brisk acceleration for its class. We're talking 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds. Numbers unheard of in the motorhome segment. The driving dynamics are equally refined. Brabus has retuned the steering and braking systems for more confident handling, even at highway speeds or through winding mountain roads. It's stable, quiet, and composed. Whether you're cruising coastlines or navigating alpine passes, what sets the 2026 Brabus Motorhome apart isn't just performance or luxury, it's the fusion of both in a format nobody saw coming. This is more than a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement, a mobile penthouse with the heart of a performance machine. Thanks for watching Auto Legends. If you're as blown away by the 2026 Brabus Motorhome as we are, hit that like button, subscribe for more insane automotive content, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep chasing the legends.